Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany and I'm a mom of 3. I do a lot of DIY videos and cooking videos, stuff like that, grocery hauls. So today's video is a little different. Today we're going to do a front door makeover. So it's kind of the before and after and the process all the way through of how we painted our front door and how we prepped it, got it ready, everything. So it's a pretty drastic change from like a rusty red, it's not so pretty, to a really beautiful black, but it's not black, it's like a almost pitch black, just a little bit softer color to it. I think it's called tricorn black. So if you're interested in seeing how we do this, then keep watching. Okay, so this is the before of our door. We already took all the hardware off and my husband sanded it down. And don't forget to tape from the inside. We use 2 layers of painter's tape. So that way, once we clean it off with soapy water and a scrubber brush, we're gonna spray it down and the water won't get into our house. So that's a key tip right there. So I'm just gonna spray with some soapy water that I have already here. See how well that works. I don't know. And then I'm going to scrub it afterwards. And then we'll spray it. Okay, so we figured that if we use the blower, it'll help it dry faster. Although it's like 97 degrees out here. And it's
That's
only
it?
1:30. Yeah, it's gonna be 100 today.
Is it the winter?
So we got a cold front. Yeah. So we're gonna try this. You think this is too loud?
No.
Okay, so the door is all sanded, washed, clean. We take everything down that we need to take down. Hardware's off. So the color we're using is the HGTV Sherwin-Williams Tricorn Black. So it's very bold. I think it's gonna look really pretty, kind of modern farmhouse style. So here we go.
place I'm running hard. I'm trying to fill it with the stars. I don't feel like I am I. Every time I ask myself why. And my heart is turned to me. Save you in my memory. Save you in my memory. Save you in my memory. Save you in my memory.
the first coat is done, so we're gonna let it dry for, I think it's an hour. Oh gosh. Okay. It says dry time 1 hour, but recoat 2 to 4 hours. So I guess we're gonna let it dry for 2 hours and do a second coat. So we'll just keep the kids upstairs. Well, this is the final product, the end result of my project. So I think it turned out really nice. I'll get a little closer so you can see the detail. So we did the trim and the door. And next all we have to do is probably paint this ugly red brick. So I think we're gonna go with white for that. So I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe.